Hey guys, welcome to another video of Vegetarian Backpacker. Today I have with me another sneakers, and I think it's been a lot of sneakers lately. I think more than travels. It's been a lot more sneakers. But yeah, the channel is Vegetarian Backpacker and it's about backpacking. So if you guys are here about the sneakers, well, I'm good, but definitely do check out my travels. I've traveled a lot, and I don't know, all the new guys that you guys have been showing up. I don't know if you have checked my travel videos, so do go to my channel and check those videos out. But yeah, today I'm with another sneakers, and I got lucky with the new pair of Jordan 1s, the UNCs. So I'm just gonna open them and show them to you, and I guess give you my thoughts and my feelings, and give you an on-foot look about these. But yeah, they just recently released. Technically, let me just put this out so I can, I guess, talk a bit more freely. Yeah, I'm gonna throw the box away because it's not like I'm gonna resell or something. Just for me. Yeah, just for me. Yeah, so these are a women's only release, and whoa. So I don't know why. So when I went to the Foot Locker and Foot Action, I guess, trying to sign up for the raffles, it was just guys at the queues. There were never no women trying to cop them. I don't know why. But again, they're a very unisex pair. I think all Jordan 1s are. Everyone can wear whatever they want. And thankfully, they had a full size run. That means even, I guess, a size 15, you could find them for guys. So if you're trying to grab any of the women's Air Jordan 1s, you need to get 1.5 size up. So since I am a size 9, I needed to get a size 10.5. Technically for men's, there was a UNC release, I guess some time ago, but I'll put the picture up, but I just don't know. They're, no offense to anyone, but I just don't like how they look. They're, I think, very, very, I guess, shiny is the term for me, I guess. Very shiny, very out there for me to wear. And I do wear some weird sneakers, trust me. But I don't know, I just like these ones so much more. The leather looks so much better. I know, like, just because, more tumble doesn't mean better, but the leather quality does seem more better on these ones, and I think I like the look on these ones as well, especially like from the toe. It definitely looks like the Breads, but from the side, obviously, it's the UNC, so I guess for people who don't know, the UNC is Michael Jordan's, it's to show Michael Jordan's journey, I guess, from the university to Chicago, and hence it's U to C. So from blue to red, and it has the red outsole. So just for this, I think I do have the Jordan 1s, Spider-Man origin story, I guess, that I picked out from StockX for $650. So, and if you haven't seen my previous video talking about when I shipped 3 sneakers from StockX from US to Canada, and what my experience was, and did I get charged customs or not, and how the packaging was, please check out the previous video. Again, I would put a link in the description. But yeah. So the Chicago 1s, they have a very clear outsole. I really dig that. I know it's a hit or a miss for some people, but these ones have the red outsole, just like how, I guess, an original Chicago one would have. And in terms of the leather quality of both, I don't know, I think these just feel superior. They have, I think, a different feel to it, or maybe because everything is 3M, the dots, it gives, I guess, a more different I guess, color as I touch it. But yeah, they're definitely, there's nothing to gripe about in these ones. They're amazing. I don't think so they came with any other extra pair of laces, which is unfortunate, because they definitely come with, I think, a red pair of laces. And these are just the black ones. Not that I would have, I guess, changed, but I would definitely prefer, because there are a lot of Jordans that come with different sets of laces. I would definitely prefer something with, I guess, a blue or a red option for people who do want to, change or mix and match. They unfortunately come with just the black laces. But yeah, I guess if it were me, I would never change the laces, and I think the black ones do look the best. In terms of colors, I think both are nylon. I know it's not a true comparison in terms of this is not a comparison video, but since I have it, on my side, and it's still new for me, like, I haven't yet worn it. It's still pack fresh, technically. So, yeah, these ones have, I guess, a bluer one, and, sorry. These have the normal black and red. The boxes are different though. These ones come in the new, I guess, the Fearless boxes that have been dropping recently. There have been a lot of, I guess, Fearless Jordans. Unfortunately, these are not, you know, one of those. But the boxes do come in, I guess, a reverse Nike colorway. Instead of a black and red like this, it comes in a red and black. All in all, it is a fantastic pair, and I'll put the on-foot footage as well for these. But they're definitely both my pairs for personal cop, and I'm definitely gonna rock them. They're not for resale. I guess these are not even reselling. So if you definitely, I mean, they're not reselling for too much, I want to say. So if you want to grab a pair, I think they're still pretty cheap in StockX, and they are, you know, very, very well made, really good in quality, and they go, I guess, with, you know, most of the things because of the colorway. I guess it's very versatile, if you want to put it that way. So you guys can definitely go, and it's definitely dope. But yeah, thank you for watching. And again, if you're new to the channel, please check out my other videos. I post a lot of random stuff, including my travel videos. And next up, I'm even going to Aruba, so I guess those videos will come pretty soon as well. I know how soon, but they are going to come. Unless I post them first, so this is going to be pretty stupid of me, but I don't think so. So do check everything out, and yeah, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and thanks so much for watching. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I would be happy to answer. Thank you.